I got my sequins hat on here. Just call me Santa Claus. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because about a year ago is when I announced on YouTube that I was making the switch to Farmasi, and it got a lot of action and a lot of interest. And so I figured, why the heck not? It's been a year later, we got our tree back up, so let's film another unboxing. We got some new stuff, some stuff that I just can't live without that I had to refill. So let's go ahead and dive in here and I will show you what I got. First thing I got in here, these are a couple, so this is the eyeliner here, I will show you. I actually like to use this eyeliner for my waterline. It's waterproof, it is a pencil. I will kind of test it out in my hand for you just to show you. It's got a very gel-like consistency, and once it dries, it is like on there. So I love this eyeliner right here. And then this lip liner. This is lip liner 207, and it's actually what I have on my lips right now. So just like as a color reference, there's that. But I really love wearing this lip liner even just by itself, and I like fill my lips in with it, and then I'll put like a little bit of concealer in the middle and then just pop a gloss over it, and it's a pretty color on its own. So there's two right there. A couple new things that I tried. It's not new to Farmasi, they're fairly new, but I am just now trying them because I've got a lot of aches and pains now. I'm getting old, guys. So we also have massage gels with Farmasi. So there is a heat massage gel and then a cooling massage gel. So this one is the Alaska Refreshing. And so this one's got obviously more of the cooling effect with it. I haven't tried this one yet. I like more of like the heat activated ones just because I'm always cold. And so Joe actually likes this one because he's always hot. So I always call him my furnace. So if my feet are really cold, I have to like put him on his legs. He's like, "You're so cold." So we gave each other shoulder rubs the other night. Asher was trying to help. Getting in with the massage gel. I'm like, oh yeah, that's probably not good for him to have on his hands. But yes, so the heated one, it really like gets hot almost if you actually like massage with it. So I feel like using more of like an oil to like do the actual massage part with if you're gonna massage, but putting this on as like if you have sore muscles, anything like that, but rubbing it in, it really intensifies the heat factor of it. It was really hot. So I would just suggest just putting it on just like a lotion or a cream on your sore muscles. Obviously, we are moving into winter, like weather's changing, it's getting drier, our skin's getting drier. So I actually switched because I normally like to use I use the aloe scrub still. I love the aloe scrub just because I feel like it helps brighten like any like dull, tired looking skin. And depending on if I have combo skin, so sometimes I'm more oily, sometimes I'm a little bit drier. So like in the summertime, I'm usually more oily. So I'll alternate in some like tea tree face wash. Since we're heading into winter, I wanted to grab the calendula face wash. I mean, it's pretty decent size. I mean, it's almost like the size of my hand. I've heard like people rant and rave about the calendula line, and it's got healing powers to it. The flowers that they make it with, they make it smell good for one, and then it's got amazing hydration to it. I've even actually been using the face cream, and I like that it makes me feel hydrated without feeling oily. So I did get the face cream as well, and then I got the face wash to incorporate in with my aloe scrub. And then I had to grab two of these babies because my hands get really dry in the winter, and I'll just show you one. It's the same thing, but the calendula hand cream, I like to keep one of these like in my purse, in the diaper bag, wherever we go, just because like you're washing your hands so much now, and so washing them is going to dry it out because of just the water and the soap and everything. So definitely get yourself some calendula hand cream because this stuff smells amazing and it makes your hands feel real good. I'm a little bit of a fan of the Zen mascara. Let me show ya. All of these are Zen mascara. But I actually did grab a few extra just because I do a lot of like giveaways and stuff like that on my Facebook page, like instant type giveaways, giveaways for sharing, anything like that. So I love having these on hand because these are just awesome to share with people, and the price point on these babies is amazing, like legit amazing. One of my favorites, I know I've probably covered this in one of my other unboxings because I know I've gotten several. So this is the face sculpting palette, and as you can see, it's got the darker color, a medium color, and a lighter color. So you can use this to highlight and contour your face. I really mainly use these two colors right here, just as the middle one as like a very gradual contour, and then this one to really like put in that like hollow of my cheek just to kind of like accentuate face shape. Pretty packaging, right? Joe is going to be thrilled because he ran out of his beard oil. I tell him he uses too much. I think he does, but he says that he needs me to grab 2 like every order. I'm like, really? You're using a little too much, I think. But this stuff right here, it's amazing. So if your guy, if they got facial hair, if you have teenage boys that are starting to grow out their facial hair, anything like that, this stuff is legit amazing. It doesn't have a really strong scent, which I actually kind of think is really nice because obviously it's on their face, and so heavy scents and everything, that can be a little bit much. So I actually liked that they lessened the fragrance of them and just concentrated more on the hydrating aspect, because I know like Joe says he gets really dry under his beard, and he said that this is like one of the only ones that he's found that actually really helps. And speaking of the aloe scrub, right here, I did have to grab me some more aloe scrub. I use this stuff like all the time. I use it at least once a day, if not twice a day. I like to wash my face in the morning and at night before bed. So yeah, this is what the tube of it looks like. Again, really decent size, like it lasts quite a while. So I will be, for my winter skincare routine, I will be alternating the aloe scrub and the calendula line. Y'all, stay tuned because we're launching some new stuff on December 1st with Farmasi, and I cannot wait to tell you guys what it is. I need to get mine in like ASAP. So as soon as I get my stuff in, you know I'm about to do another unboxing. So this is the biphase makeup remover. So you can see like it is wrapped in the plastic, but it's separated here. I know I've covered this stuff before, but it like literally helps your makeup just melt off. I did grab a couple more of the baby products to re-up on. Again, it's wrapped in plastic here. They like to wrap it really good so that hopefully it doesn't leak or anything like that. But this is the baby lotion and then the baby oil. And I like both of these, especially going into winter, because Asher will tend to get like really like dry patches on his cheeks. But if I just use a tiny bit of the oil right on the dry patches, and then I'll put the oil all over his body after bath time, and then also I will even put the lotion on top, and this stuff makes his skin so stinking soft, you guys. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I've considered using the baby lotion on my skin. And it smells really like just like fresh and clean. Like, I don't know how else to describe it, but it's just got a really light scent to it, and it doesn't irritate Asher's skin. Okay, another thing that people rant and rave about, you guys, the calendula sleeping mask, okay? So it just says sleeping mask on it, but this yellow print up here, this means it's with the calendula line. Funny story, I used to call it the calendula line, and apparently I was saying it wrong. Apparently it is calendula. They took this out of the catalog, and they had so many people complain that they took it away that they brought it back. And which is awesome because they actually they listen to us. You know, it's like we make suggestions. We, if we freak out when they take something away, they bring it back. So it's pretty cool that they actually listen to us and take our opinions into consideration. Again, it's a sleeping mask, so you just put it on at night. It's a little bit more hydration during the night because I feel like you can get away with using more hydrating products at night because obviously you're not putting makeup over it. So I'm excited to use that. That'll be going on tonight. I ordered more. I had to refill my BB powder. You guys know how I love my BB powder. One of the girls on my team turned me on to this, and I am just like obsessed with it. That's what I have on right now to set like my concealer areas. The lighter color powder on my face, that's what is on there, is the BB powder. It's just a little bit, I feel like it has a little bit more of like a silky smooth finish to it. I love it. I can't even like say exactly why, besides the fact that I like how like silky smooth it is. And then also I grabbed a face perfecting press powder. This was another refill. This is the color 05, which is Cool Dark. And I actually like this for like a really soft, subtle like contour color. So that's the color of it right there. And that's actually what I have on my face as my contour right now. I like that it has a cooler undertone to it. It's not like, it doesn't make you like look or feel like it looks super orangey. I like having that cooler undertone, especially in the winter too, because in the winter when your skin, like obviously if you're not using self tanner or anything, like you're losing your tan, you know, anything like that. And I feel like sometimes it's like the darker powders can just come off a little bit more orangey, like the lighter you get. And so I feel like the cooler based ones, and that's another reason I like the face sculpting palette, this baby right here, because it does have cooler undertones to it. I did grab another full coverage liquid concealer. Trying to get it to focus here. But concealer, I mean, it's an everydayer for me, so I feel like I pop one of these babies in like every order. I like to use the concealer stick in the soft orange color underneath my foundation, but then the full coverage liquid, I do it over my foundation to kind of like lighten and brighten. And another thing I grab like literally every order, like these two are for sure on every order, you guys, because I go through them. But these two babies right here, so the Scentsy wipes, these are the makeup wipes, and I like them because they don't make my face like sting when I'm taking it off, because I say that because I've used other ones that have like alcohol in them, and it almost kind of stings or like burns your eyes when you're taking it off. So that's why I like the Scentsy wipes, because they don't have alcohol. They don't have alcohol in them. So I really, really love these. I grabbed like 3 of these babies in this order and 2 of my makeup removers. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is what I have been like so excited to get, okay? These are new. These are new products, okay? And they launched literally just in time for like the driest season ever. So they launched Save the Lips Lip Scrub. Lip scrub! And I'm not even gonna lie, like I've already used some. And it's amazing. Your lips feel so smooth, so hydrated. It is insane, like literally. I'm getting these for everyone's stocking stuffers this year. So any of my family that's watching, you're getting these in your stockings. And then also this is lip balm, because we do have the lip conditioners, like in the actual like lipstick tubes, but these are just a lip balm that so it looks like a kind of like a Carmex tube. It doesn't really have, the lip balm itself doesn't have a heavy scent to it. Yeah, there's really like no scent to the lip balm, but the lip scrub is a watermelon scent, which I was so surprised. I was totally expecting like a peppermint smell, but I'm actually kind of thrilled with it because I'm a summer baby, so watermelon, yep, watermelon anything. So I will show you here what this looks like. This cute little container, it's a metal container, okay, triangle, and then this is what it looks like. And the consistency of it is like, I don't know, it's like, it's a sugar scrub, so I don't even know if you can see it, but like, it's pretty transparent when it goes on, but I just took a little bit on my fingers, and I went over my lips and I just rubbed it in, and then I kept rubbing my lips together, wiped it off, put the lip balm on, and you guys, my lips they were so hydrated. I can't even like explain it to you, but I'm like super excited about that. So if you need something if you got some dry lips, getting chapped, anything like that, get the lip scrub, get the lip balm. You will not be sorry. Seriously. So the main ingredient in it is water, which is awesome that it's not petroleum, because I feel like, okay, I could be wrong, like don't shoot the messenger here, but I feel like whenever I use Carmex, like it kind of makes you an addict for Carmex, like you have to keep reapplying. So I feel like it's kind of a marketing thing. But what I liked about this lip balm in particular was that once it soaked in, they still felt hydrated, and it didn't feel like I needed to reapply. So just as a heads up. Y'all, look at this makeup bag. I'm kind of sad because I'm gonna end up giving this away, and I did want to keep it, but let me see here. First off, it's like really good size, but look how cute this little makeup bag is. So it's like a goldish color, kind of rose gold, but more like gold, you know. And then it's got this cute little Farmasi tag on the side. Okay, so these were kind of like special edition for the holidays, and of course I had to snag me one. But this is actually gonna be filled with some makeup goodies for our mega party that we're hosting on Facebook. So if you're not friends with me on Facebook or you don't follow me on Facebook, make sure you go check it out, because December 4th through the 6th, we're having a mega party and we're having tons of giveaways. We're giving away a Michael Kors crossbody, we're giving away a $50 gift card, we're gonna be giving away a lot of stuff, like lots of stuff. just for participating. So if you want in on that, make sure to go check that out. And then I did have to grab these because I did get me a one of the Farmasi Mr. White Swiffer type mop things, and these are the wipes that go on it. You guys, cleaning products. Like, I'm ecstatic because I'm like, I can just order my cleaning product. So I'm super excited. I do have to smell this. It's like lemony fresh. It's not chemical smelling at all. I love the smell of lemon with my cleaning products, but I don't like when it's mixed with that chemical smell and it like kind of like almost like burns your nostrils. Like, no. I like it because it actually smells like the spray, the multi-purpose cleaner from the Mr. Wipes line, and I use that stuff like all the time. Makes the house smell great. Threw in a catalog. We're gonna be getting new catalogs come January. So I'm super stoked because you guys, they're gonna have like the scratch and sniff like perfume like testers in it, which is amazing because we have so many people that will ask like, what's this perfume smell like? What's this perfume smell like? And I don't know about you, but I'm terrible about like describing like scents, especially when it comes to perfumes and body sprays. Unless it really triggers something that it reminds me of, I'm really bad at explaining. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I had so much fun showing you all of my goodies. If you can't see here, I still got my liners on there. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or you are curious about anything that I unboxed, just let me know. Drop some comments down below. If you have anything that you're wanting to see in particular, definitely drop that in the comments. We love suggestions. It helps us out because content is a lot of work. So just let us know. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful holiday season already. Hopefully you had a great Thanksgiving, and let's dive right into December. Okay, you guys,